almost a megang for 15 months next year. It's very totally awesome. I mean, this very needed from Aceh people, exactly from West Aceh, exactly. West Aceh from West Aceh very eat that, very love that to eat that buffalo. Then that a cow, it's very so. I have to looking for like baby buffalo. We call that not baby buffalo, especially that after he eat breastfeeding almost 1 year. What after breastfeeding, what give by buffalo, mommy buffalo. So I looking for about almost 15 million, what rupiahs or 30 million rupiahs. I looking for our single village in Banda, Inggris, example. So I just company here. So I'm so sorry I can't, come at the time, that. So I'm sorry about that. For today, when I look in the group, that almost 6 people or 10 people, including me, that 7 people. Don't worry about that. Yesterday I met, Rian. Rian will visit here and then will came here for what? Just increase each other, right? It's more important thing, nowadays, I increase our English, not only but also by myself, very important for me to increase, English, that. So I'm sorry about that, right? I never get bored to see again and again my voice. So when I got here, even this guy newcomer today, all you guys all come on, don't worry about. I met Fitra 2 years. I could not see him, I knew him, almost 2 years, what. So I never forget about to say again and again my steps for our vacation here. That when you got here, you don't have understand each other. When you got, you don't have feel each other. When you got here, you don't have looking each other. That just speed it up and then just increase your English. If your English very totally awesome, just speed it up and then give any chance. Give any suggestion or knowledge, anything about English. And it's about vocabulary. I have no about vocabulary. You have no my vocabulary. So here, speed it up. That's what I mean. Alright, that's my time today. Our topic today, lot for like what year? What age? Your age? That what age is that? 10 or 7 or 8 or 6? You know English. Where that the English for your mommy, your daddy, your friend, your teacher, or including watching movie or watching TV. That's